Hey everyone, I'm going to do a video of Tesla's self-driving. I'm on the FSD 14.5. Let's see how it goes. So I've just put in the destination. I'm trying to do an Uber Eats delivery. I'm going to drive to the location to pick it up. Yeah, so I'm on the 14.3.5. I've been driving it for a few days. Things it can do better, which I think they're working on some updates, is like it cannot see potholes, so you have to take over. Navigation is still pretty weird. Like it seems to not take the easier ways. Sometimes takes longer routes, so I have to take over for navigation sometimes. Parking is another thing. So right now it's supposed to park in the parking lot. We'll see how it does. It does very good job at actually doing the parking. Sometimes it just parks a little far away. So yeah, so here at the destination. Okay, so now I have the address set to where I am to drop that off, and I've told it to park on the street. And yeah, I mostly keep it, there's different driver profiles. I usually just keep it at chill. That drives at like speed limit. So let's see how it does on 8th Street here. Pretty busy street. So it's looking at the traffic here. Let's see how it does. It needs to go left and then right, and yeah, this is a busy left turn right now. Let's see how it does. Sometimes I will switch driver profiles. It seems to do some things better at the Mad Max profile they have. And of course it's still supervised, so you do have to sometime help it. Like I just had to give it a little gas back there to kind of go. It seemed a little hesitant. Yeah, I think and it did say in the release notes that the next update that they are working on, you know, it recognizing potholes. I don't know how it can already not do that, but that will be a very big help, because, you know, I seem to touch it quite a bit for potholes. And of course they've said that there's, in their summer update, there's some navigation related updates coming as well. So you can kind of see here, you know, what routes it will take, if it's to your liking, and then change it if you need to. So yeah, pretty busy 8th Street, you know, 3 lanes traffic, lots going on. In the last update they added this, oh, just tried to do that maneuver there, or other car was trying to turn. Yeah, in the last update they added this streak counter here. Again, yeah, with the potholes and navigation issues, I've had to take over the car. Otherwise, I think the streak would go for quite long, but need those couple of major things fixed before you can really just let your streak go, because that's not a thing right now. Yeah, like the Mad Max profile, you know, goes above speed limit, but it does certain things with more confidence, which I've noticed the other profiles like Sloth and Chill, you know, maybe don't do as well. But then again, I don't want it to be speeding all the time on all the streets. So I keep the Mad Max like in a busier street because it can't really speed up, yet it benefits from having everything else that the Mad Max profile has to offer. So you could have turned left there, but yeah, at this profile it hesitates. So I'm gonna switch it up to Mad Max. Yeah, it's like some of the attentive features of those, of like Mad Max, needs to be in the other profiles. I think the only thing Mad Max should basically differ in is the speed part.